Let's bring in Eddie Gabor. Great to see you this morning, Eddie. You're dipping your toes, we could say, back into the markets after being out for a while. So the inevitable question is, what stocks are you bullish on in this environment?
So right now, we're very bullish on healthcare, specifically healthcare equipment. There's a tremendous amount of pent-up demand in healthcare. And although we're not bullish on the economy here in the U.S. over the next 6 to 12 months, this is a sector that we think can thrive and has some earnings power going into the back half of the year. So we bought last Tuesday. We'll continue to buy dips here in this space. And then we're looking outside the U.S., specifically India. We think India has tremendous upside. As tensions in China continue to get worse, I think you're going to see more tech companies like Apple and Amazon start investing more in India. So you're looking at some potential multi-year gains there and some acceleration economically where we're decelerating here. So looking outside the U.S. As well as focusing on healthcare. And then aerospace and defense is a space that we're bullish on as well. That we're going to be looking to buy on dips here this summer.
You know, Eddie, I want to get back to your point on India. It is a huge market for sure, but it's always been plagued with infrastructure problems, power that goes out. It's been unreliable. And because of that, its potential hasn't been fully realized. Do you really think that it's now ready to kind of have that infrastructure in place that could provide some really good investment opportunities?
I think the risk reward is very strong here. You're always going to have risks, to your point. But I think what you're going to see is, because of the problems in China, you're going to see a lot of people investing a tremendous amount of money there to get that infrastructure in place. So I think this is the early innings of some really nice upside. And India could be the new China. Because, look, China's having its major issues economically. And, again, the geopolitical tensions as well as the problems tech companies are running into there with manufacturing that they've learned the hard way. All points to India being the winner due to the problems we have there. So I think it's a great place to be for a diversified allocation.